Everything fine?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm obviously trying to get my son to do
Again, someone called 911. They were concerned. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go. This is ridiculous. I was just with my girlfriend who lives here. Okay, amazing.
Okay.
Thank you.
You said your girlfriend lives here?
So much, yeah.
All right. Ma'am? Ma'am? Come here for a second. Come here.
What do you need?
Okay, are you staying here at the hotel?
No, I have a...
What room does your girlfriend live in?
I don't need to answer that.
Ma'am, come here for a second.
No,
Stop.
sir.
Listen, you got a baby.
You don't need to
stop
do
and
anything.
relax.
No, I don't trust you. I don't know you. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, stop. Just relax.
You're freaking me out.
No. Relax.
Why, what the ever is going on? You're freaking me out.
Relax.
We got called. By what? We got called by a pacifier.
You can relax. You're not in any...
Not in trouble. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Okay? I literally just showed. Okay. Call my husband right now. I don't trust you. I don't know you. Call my husband right now. I don't know what's happening.
That's okay, ma'am. Where do you live?
I live across the street.
Where? What's the address?
Where the f is your address? Why do I have to answer?
Ma'am.
I don't know what is happening. I feel really threatened by all of you.
What's your husband's number, ma'am? I'll call him for you. What's his number? You're okay. You're not trouble.
I'm on private property. I don't know why the f you even trying here.
Ma'am, you're not staying here.
I'm the supervisor.
I can pay for this. It's fine.
I'm the
I don't know who you
I'm
are.
the supervisor. Let me just talk to you for a second, okay?
Who the f are these people?
Stay on the police. That's the first thing. I'm Lieutenant Brigadier.
Call my husband, please.
I will.
I'm scared and I don't know who they are.
What's the phone number?
Give me the husband's phone number.
What's the phone number, ma'am?
I'll call for you.
What's the phone number?
Trust any of you.
Okay,
I'm the supervisor. You have to talk to me.
No, I don't have time.
listen, ma'am.
You need to let go of my shoulder right now. Show me a warrant or you not.
What's going to happen is you're going to get your butt going to jail.
I don't know what is going to, what is happening.
Give us the name and let us call your husband so we can get to the bottom. Okay? That's all I'm asking.
Listen,
You're not
let's
in
call your
trouble.
husband.
You're obviously a little intoxicated. I smell the alcohol coming off your mouth. But it's not against the law to have a drink. But the way you're acting,
I am freaked out by all of you.
worried about the-
And I was trafficked as a young woman and I dealt with that. I don't trust any of you.
Okay.
For a goddamn second.
Listen
Get
to
away,
me.
get out of my face.
Listen to me.
Get out of my face.
You're going to go to jail.
I'm
And I
not
don't- and I don't
going
want
to
that.
jail.
And I don't want that.
I don't
So why don't
even
you
know
provide
why
us with your husband's
what is
number so we can
happening?
call and find out what's going on? That's
What
all
is
I'm asking.
happening?
Do you mind talking to me at least?
Yeah, I don't know what's going
Okay,
on.
listen, I'm Officer Charles. Just wanted to know, like,
I just want to go home. I don't know what I
we
did.
want to help you get home.
Are you injured? Do you
You
need a medic?
have a husband or someone that you
Yes.
can call? Can you give us his number? We'll call him so you can
Yes,
come get
we
you.
park here often to go to music class for our son.
What's his phone number?
561
What's his name?
Matthew.
Matthew.
Why are you guys all surrounding me?
What's your name? What-
No, I don't trust any of you.
What's your name? Just give us your first name.
Call him again. I don't trust. I don't know who the f- any of you are.
Can we verify the phone number? So
Yeah. I don't care, but I'm freaking out because I don't know who the f- you are, and I don't know what I did.
Listen, you didn't
I don't trust you. I just wanted to go home to my husband.
I know. But listen,
I just had my husband parked here.
okay.
Look, my car is in here. I'm just
What do you drive?
trying to go home.
Tell me what you drive.
Really? What do you need?
Just tell me what you drive.
For my husband to go home.
Yes, but we're trying to help you with that. We're trying to help you with that.
Best as possible.
So what do you drive,
Please call
ma'am?
him, please. I don't trust anybody but him.
561.
I'm scared, okay? I'm sorry. I've been in a hospital for the last 2 months. I don't want to talk to any of you. Please go away. Yes. I don't want to talk to any of you.
We're not, listen, we're
No, you have nothing to do with me at all. I don't know why you're here and I'm freaked out.
Well, listen, we'll explain it to you.
I don't need you to explain it to me.
Is there anyone else that we can call?
Call him again. Call him again. Call him over and over.
Just look. Listen.
Hello. You've reached Alexandra.
Who's Alexandra?
It's me. Are you kidding happening?
I don't know. You didn't give us your name.
What do you
so-
mean? What am I doing that's illegal?
Nothing.
Alright, bye.
If I explain
No, you're not.
No, wait, you sir, you
You're
cannot
gonna go to
detain
jail.
me.
I'm
I'm
telling
going
you right
to
now.
jail. Why am I going to jail? What the f is happening?
Listen to me.
Please call the police on my behalf. I don't know what's happening. No, sir. I will not give you my child. Sir, sir, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm not resisting.
You're not. It's okay.
Please
You're okay.
help me.
You're okay. We're gonna help you.
No,
We're gonna
you're
help
not. You don't have any
Ma'am,
right to
we're gonna help
detain
you.
me.
We're gonna help
Sir, you have no legal right to detain me.
Now, listen.
You don't.
You're going to cooperate with us and give
I've been trying to cooperate with you the whole
somebody's
time.
number we can call that we can find out what's going on. You have a
I am 5, 6. It's my husband. I'm not doing anything.
anybody else besides your husband we can call?
That was a different number.
What,
Please.
do you remember where you parked at, ma'am?
That's my husband's direct phone
Okay.
number.
Do you
I
remember
don't
where
know
you-
why I'm being arrested.
Do you remember where you parked at?
Why am I being detained?
Do you remember where you parked at?
Why am I being detained?
I'll explain to
specifically?
you.
No, I need you to tell me right now.
We are worried about the kid.
Okay.
You're not in the right state of mind right now. So we're trying to get to the bottom. You can give us somebody to call, then we can work it out.
Matthew, thank you so much. Your body cam should show you just fine.
What's your name? What's your name, man?
My name is Alexander. I should not have any pending arrest or anything. I just.
Alexandria Hall, what's your date of birth?
Who's asking?
Who's
Who's my arresting officer? Why am I being arrested? Where is my son going? Look, I'm not trying to arrest anything. I just
And I'm
want
not
to take
trying
my
to
son
arrest you. I'm not
home.
trying to arrest you. I'm just
You
trying to get you some help. So what is your date of birth?
Oh my God. You're not trying to help me. It's okay. You could just lie and say
Do you
whatever.
have a parent or sister?
Yes, I have a huge family that lives with me. I don't.
What do they say?
They all live in the same neighborhood right here.
Okay.
His father is right here.
What's the father number? His father.
Tried to tell you, but everyone was like,
You have a cell phone?
yes.
Where is your cell phone?
Are you kidding me? I'm, sir, like clearly detained.
Yes.
I cannot get my cell phone.
Where is it?
I don't know. It's in my belongings. If you have a cell phone, I'm gladly going to give you the number to call for his father. 561. I don't understand why I'm being arrested at all. I have plenty of money to pay for my stay here. I don't know why you're detaining me whatsoever. I have not
Because of
fought
your
you at all.
Attitude right now is a problem.
Oh, that's not illegal, sir. Thank you so
Your
much.
state of mind you're in is illegal.
Not at all.
With a kid.
No,
Yes.
it's not. Thank
We
you
are
so
worried
much.
about the kid.
Wonderful. Glad you're worried about the kid. Okay.
Obviously you had too much to drink.
I have not been out, sir. Thank you so much.
I refuse to believe that.
Okay. Where's my husband?
Trying to call right now.
Oh, what? The one number I gave you? 561. Can I please have my phone or any phone to message him and let him know what it's called? I don't even know what I'm detained for. What am I detained for? You have my ID. You have my son. What am I detained for?
Does she have a cell?
What the f am I detained for? Let go of me. Let go of my son. You don't have any right to hold either of us.
We got a call saying that she was in the middle of the road. Baby was calling on my level in the middle of the road. Yeah. Picked her up, dragging the baby. So we get here, try to run away from her. So, oh, I don't know you guys, get the fuck away from me, blah, blah, blah. Like being all weirded out.
Are you guys just detaining her?
Yeah, just because she was, yeah. No, she was wigging out, so. I'm maybe. We don't know yet. We're trying to find out.
I want to know why this is happening, sir. Anybody, document this. Why is this
We
happening?
have body cameras.
Okay,
We
right.
document everything.
Why is this happening?
Because you are not in the right frame of mind, and we are
I can call my
trying.
mom. I
Call
can
your
call
mom.
anybody.
What's your mom's number?
561. Let's go.
What is it? 561.
That's your mom's. Okay.
Teresa. I don't know what I did that was illegal. What did I do? Anybody?
You are obviously intoxicated. This kid is out in the cold. Look what he has on. Okay? This is the start. Now all we're trying to do is help you. If you can give us someone that we can contact with a good number that's going to come down here and explain what's going on.
Nobody gives a so nobody's coming. If they obviously haven't picked up the phone. So I guess we have to go. I don't know what to say to you.
So you want to go to jail?
No, I don't want to go to jail. My son is well taken care of. I don't know who the you are and why I'm being detained. No, I don't want to go to jail. I don't know what the is happening.
And give us a number to call.
I've already said a couple numbers to call.
They're not answering. Anybody else we can call?
Please, 601. I don't know. I don't have my like.
Ma'am, do you know their address? You know
Yes, they all live right here on the street.
what's the address?
I don't know what to do. I can't get anywhere.
N as in Nancy?
No, it's not like where this West Palm. What the do you want to do? I'm not trying to
Is
fight
your husband
you guys.
home?
I don't know what to do. The father of my son.
Michael? Yeah, Michael.
You want to sit down? Yeah. You want to pull up or where you at? Yeah. Okay.
You guys. It's fine. I'm doing shock therapy right now. I'm not well anyway. It's
Why are you in
fine.
shock therapy?
Because of the that you guys are arresting me for. I'm not well.
We're actually just trying to help you.
I don't know why you think this is helpful. I literally just wanted my husband to come get me, and you guys are arresting me in front of my building. I don't know what to say to you. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing?
You'll step in there. We're just taking you to. We're gonna take you over there to your house. We're just taking you to another spot. Is he home over there? Is he home?
You're taking me to my home.
Is he home? We're gonna try to take you to. Okay, then that's where we're trying to go. That's where we're. We're just gonna help you. Okay. It's okay. Can I help you put your seatbelt on?
No, I don't trust you.
Don't do it. Okay. Yeah. Where you gonna reach over? On the floor?
So, you can just tell me a little bit about what happened?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. I was coming home, and I came into my garage at 2 City.
Okay.
What a beautiful. I'm just.
It's okay.
I'm not
No,
wired.
No, it's okay. Take your
I'm
time.
not wired that
No,
way.
you're fine. We appreciate you calling.
I could not. So anyway, there's 2 entrances on 2 City.
Right.
Right. So she starts walking in, and Lewis is the parking attendant, and we love Lewis. And Lewis and I have a thing, and she said to me, he said, Tracy, and I see this girl walking up, because now it's a hill to come out to Trinity, and she's walking through that. The baby was like a rag doll, like a rag doll. And Lewis got very upset, and he says, where are you from? He goes, I live here. I don't live here in 2 City. She goes, I don't know you. What number, you know?
Right.
So he didn't want to have a problem, but he called the front desk at 2 City. He just knows his job, you know. And I said, you know what? Let me take my car and come through to Trinity and see if I can help her. And maybe she's lost, has no money. She's thinking, I don't know. I saw this child was in a pamper.
I understand.
You know, like, it's the coldest Florida day. You know, look how you're dressed.
It's chilly.
And I'm like, okay. And she told me to go off.
Okay.
But she didn't seem drunk. It was like she was on drugs or something. I don't know. And I said, ma'am, I'll help you. You know, the baby, it's cold.
Yeah.
So when I pulled up, it's all going to be on camera in the Hilton. On the cam, has to be.
Okay.
When I pulled up, I drive a Navy convertible, and I pulled up, and the baby,
What's the story?
no exaggeration, I can't even make this up. It was off the curb crawling like by the yellow line. And the cars like that.
And where was she at?
Like, it was the most...
So the baby was crawling in the street.
The baby was in the street when I pulled up.
Okay.
That child was crawling in the street in front of the hotel, but there has to be surveillance cameras.
Okay.
And then she scooped him up. I go, ma'am, can I help you? You know, is the baby giving you a problem?
Yeah.
You know, let me see if I...
That was just and she seemed kind of off, so we get here and talk to her, and she wasn't happy. So nothing happened other than just we just detained her for her safety. And you know, just try to just leave the whole situation. Just we're trying to obviously the baby was with her, but he says she's a little intoxicated, so we want to make sure everyone's okay.
All right, but bottom line, my son is okay.
Son's okay, wife's okay. You can tell me you're with Officer Forgione. I'll explain everything to you.
Everyone's here, everyone's good right now.
Okay, I'm here with the officer right now.
Okay, perfect. Yep, if you could come over here just so we can figure everything else out, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yep.
Appreciate you. First name, Michael?
Matthew.
Matthew, excuse me, Matthew.
That's okay.
Officer
I
Forgione.
kind of figured because I've been trying to get a hold of her for 3 hours now.
I got you.
And I got a hold of her probably 30 minutes ago, and she said she was on her way home, and I asked her, I said, are you intoxicated? She started laughing and joking and saying, no, I'm not drunk. Same time,
Gotcha.
don't f around with my child.
I
I'm sorry.
understand.
I love that woman to death, but that's my child, and no.
Completely understand.
So-
I'm dad
Do
myself.
what you need to do with her. She needs to learn a lesson.
She's
At the same
okay.
time,
She's more than welcome to go with you, but we just want to make sure the child at the end of the day is okay.
yes, absolutely.
Do you need a ride over there? Do you
No,
want to drive over there?
I can drive my truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so-
where are you guys? Where's she located?
So
I guess.
it's the AKA Hotel. If you get lost, you give me a call, but I'm going to shoot back that way, all right?
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You got it.
I'm not being detained for any lawful reason.
What's your name?
Nobody has detained me for a lawful reason.
Do you know that sound familiar?
Yeah, he knows.
Oh, he came over already? Okay, all right. He's on his way.
Yeah, thank God.
Good catch. What's the story?
No one saw it.
Yeah, where do we think mom was?
So mom was supposed to be at a friend's house at One City Towers. I believe that's One City Towers.
Oh, okay.
She was supposed to be at a friend's house. They were having a little play date after they both picked up their kids from school.
Okay.
They go to a Montessori school off of Dixie, and it's just, I don't know the name of the school, but it's just by the Polio Tropical on Dixie and just south of Forest Hill, I believe. And she went over there for her play date, and they were supposed to be playing with the kids. I've been trying to get in contact with her since 4 o'clock. I can show you my phone records,
Yeah.
text messages. Last text message I sent to her, trying to figure out dinner for him.
Yeah.
Please let me know what's going on for him so he can eat. I need to know. Last text message I sent her, hey, give me my son back so that way he can eat dinner, and you can go do what you want to do.
You guys get together?
We do it together. Yes, sir. The voice that I heard, I don't know which one of y'all called me, but that voice, very recognizable when she's on alcohol. The last conversation I had with her was probably 40 minutes ago, and I asked her, I said, hey, have you been drinking? If so, stay where you're at. I will. Which is my son, obviously.
Wait, can we get his name too?
Yeah, we've been trying to figure out what his name. Someone called because the baby was crawling in the middle of Olive without her. Olive. That's the call we got.
Can I get that in writing, please?
It's on camera. So yeah, it's got to be documented because obviously there's children involved, stuff like that. So we had a concerned person who came over. She was hysterical because she said she saw your girlfriend, wife, whatever she is, carrying the baby like she said like a rag doll is how she described it. And so she tried to stop and be like, do you need assistance? Do you need help? Blah, blah, whatever. And then she tried to go through her garage and then saw the baby out here on Olive by himself. So that's the call we got.
DCF calls, they're gonna probably have the report, just ask you about the same thing we're talking to you about. And for your sake, I would just go over everything, any incidents you have, just in case it comes later on in court, and you guys just can't do it.
I mean, I'm not trying to throw her under the bus at the same time.
No, you have to do what's right for your kids.
My obligation is to my children.
Right.
And yeah.
So this is all I'm just saying as a father, cop, everything. Do what's best interest for your baby.
Absolutely. Yeah. I don't have no sympathy for adults that can't control themselves, no matter how much I love them and how much it's going to hurt. But at the same time,
you never know. It may hurt and help at the same time. So
she's gotten a lot of help recently. So, but I understand.
Okay. We appreciate you coming.
All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Am I able to take him?
Yeah, we're gonna give you a case number.
Unfortunately, Charles is running out the road. And you
Are you mother kidding me? None of that happened.
That's weird. At what university you get that? I need to go get a master's degree.
About me right now. Don't pretend like you care, please. Everyone's trying to me.
That's what we're trying to make you understand. If we didn't, you would be still out here running in the streets.
Dude,
we're trying to find something for you.
I'm not doing anything.
But we're trying to figure out why you was out here running around like that.
Getting my friend. Like, we're not allowed to be geniuses and kill some goddamn math in the middle of the night.
But the kid had just Pampers on. Like, no
Yo,
clothes
bro,
on.
my kid just got out of school. Yeah, he just had dinner.
Yeah,
there is
9 o'clock at night.
I don't give a. He goes to sleep at 9 o'clock at night.
Okay.
Are you kidding me?
That's what we're
It's
saying.
fucking called part of like the weaning process. He doesn't have milk right now. He chills and eats dinner with his dad, and then he goes to bed by 8:30. Like, I'm not ridiculous.
You know, by 8:30 you was out here.
That's what I'm saying. It's 9 o'clock.
We were trying to get home. I already talked to his father. You can check my phone calls. I don't have to talk to him.
Do you know where your phone is at?
Call it. I bet y'all will find it.
Do you remember how you got over here on this side of town?
I walked to my mother's car that was in the spot.
What kind of car?
It's over there in the lot. My girlfriend, who was right here on the 14th floor, told me to park right there. Our sons are in the same class, and I did that until you guys showed up, and I don't know what happened.
You don't remember us showing up?
No, I do, but I remember you guys.
You don't remember what happened before we showed up?
There was no problem before you showed up.
Your child wasn't crawling in the sidewalk?
No, nothing was happening. We weren't here.
Somebody passed by, and that's what they saw, and they called, and that's when we showed up.
Well, you can ask the person in my friend. I don't have her name.
What's your friend's name?
Liliana.
Liliana. She stays on the 14th floor. You know this doesn't go. You know this doesn't go up to 14 floors.
I don't give a f. Okay, 14th floor. He lives there.
On this one or this one?
I don't know. Whatever the address is, right there. I don't know. Okay.
You know what street you're on?
Are you serious?
I am. Do you know where you know what street you're on?
Dixie Highway is right there. I think I'm on Quadrille or like a subsidiary of such, right?
That's Olivia. That's Olive. And this is Chase. Actually, this is Trinity. You're on the corner of Trinity and the next street over.
He is 18 months old and doesn't walk. Eric, my girlfriend's friend, my girlfriend's son, he walks and he's 2 months younger. We were practicing walking. I'm not quite sure what the f I did.
Cold night. A worried passerby sees a toddler crawling near the road while his mother appears disoriented nearby. Within minutes, police arrive to a scene that feels chaotic from every angle. An anxious mother clutching her child, officers trying to figure out what's happening, and a growing sense that something isn't right. By the end, the mother faces a child neglect charge. But the real lesson here isn't just about law enforcement or parenting. It's about how fear, intoxication, and mistrust can turn a situation that might have been resolved in minutes into a spiral of confusion and consequences. And honestly, it's a reminder that when our minds are overwhelmed, even simple cooperation can feel like a threat. Watch how the interaction unfolds. Officers approach calmly, explaining right away that someone called 911 because they were worried about the child. That's important. They're not showing up looking to arrest someone, they're responding to a safety concern. You can hear it in their language, "You're not in trouble, we're just trying to figure out what's going on." That's actually good policing in a tense moment. They try several grounding techniques, asking basic questions, offering to call her husband, even acknowledging that having a drink isn't illegal. They're trying to lower the temperature of the conversation. But the mother's reaction tells a different story. She immediately shifts into defense mode. "I don't trust you. I don't know who you are." Over and over again. And listen carefully. This isn't just defiance. She mentions being trafficked earlier in life and says she feels threatened. That statement is a huge psychological clue. Trauma rewires how people interpret authority and danger. When someone has lived through situations where control was taken from them, even legitimate authority can feel like a threat. So while the officers see a routine welfare check, she experiences something closer to panic. Now here's the turning point. The officers repeatedly ask for something simple, a phone number for her husband so they can verify the situation and help her get home. That request becomes the bridge out of the conflict. But instead of crossing it, she keeps rejecting it, arguing about rights, warrants, and detention. And this is where human psychology collides with reality. When people feel cornered, the brain goes into what psychologists call threat mode. Rational thinking drops. Emotional thinking takes over. The goal stops being solving the problem and becomes protecting pride or autonomy. You've felt this before, maybe during a heated argument where someone offers a solution, but you're so frustrated that you reject it just to maintain control. In this case, that emotional loop keeps tightening. Officers interpret her agitation as intoxication or instability. She interprets their persistence as harassment. Both sides talk more, but trust moves in the opposite direction. Meanwhile, the original concern hasn't gone away. The child. Later, a witness explains what prompted the call in the first place. She saw the baby crawling near the street while the mother appeared disoriented and carrying the child like a rag doll. Whether that moment lasted 10 seconds or several minutes doesn't matter much in the eyes of bystanders. When a toddler is near traffic, people react instantly. That's the second major lesson. Public perception can trigger legal consequences before you even realize something looks wrong. Eventually, the husband confirms what officers suspected. He'd been trying to reach her for hours and believed she'd been drinking. At that point, the situation shifts from uncertainty to responsibility. The child's safety becomes the priority and the legal process begins. And look, this is where things get uncomfortable. The mother insists nothing happened. From her perspective, she was simply walking home with her son. But the law doesn't judge only intention, it judges risk. A toddler in the street, a parent appearing impaired, and multiple witnesses calling for help create a picture authorities can't ignore. So what does this mean for us? If you ever find yourself in a tense encounter with police, especially during a welfare check, cooperation is not surrender. It's strategy. If officers ask for verification, like a phone number, an ID, or a contact, and you provide it calmly, the situation usually resolves faster than you think. Here's a practical rule. If your goal is to leave the situation quickly, then give officers the information that allows them to close the loop. Silence and resistance often stretch a 5-minute conversation into a 30-minute investigation. Another takeaway is about perception. If you're responsible for a child in public, the margin for error shrinks dramatically. Strangers don't know your intentions or your parenting style. They only see what's happening in front of them. And when safety looks questionable, people will call for help. There's also a deeper emotional lesson here. Fear makes us build walls at the exact moment we need bridges. When we're overwhelmed, our instincts say fight the authority. But sometimes the wiser move, the calmer move, is to slow down, breathe, and work with the people trying to solve the problem. 3 seconds of calm communication can prevent hours of consequences. Because the truth is, most conflicts don't explode all at once. They grow slowly, misunderstanding by misunderstanding, until suddenly you're standing in the middle of a situation you never intended to create. And that leads to one question worth thinking about tonight. When stress hits and you feel cornered, will you protect your pride or protect the outcome?